Here I have CAT S61, and today I'm going to show you how to perform force restart operation on this device. So if your device is laggy and like you're trying to touch the screen, like trying to do something about it, but it just responds in no way, you're trying to press buttons but phone just don't react, what you can do about it to like fix it, you have to reset your device. But like you touch, you press buttons, but there's no turn off menu. And what you have to do about it, you just have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume down at the same time for about 7 seconds, and after that your device will be forcefully restarted and won't be laggy anymore. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.